Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the circuit. Actually it worked after I've made some little bit of adjustments here and there. Remember yesterday I was having some little bit of circuit design issues, but I was able to solve them. So right now the circuit can do these operations. Remember that this is what we say that we want the circuit to do. So we want it to, once we've put this various 2-bit data into this deep switch right here, it can do all these operations. So if you put 00, it reads from register A. This is register A and this is register B. So if we put 00 in this deep switch, it's going to read from register A. If we put 01, it's going to write to register A. If we put 10, it's going to read from register B. And if you put 11, it's going to write to register B. So once you put your control in this deep switch, then you use this one for data input. So this is the data input to these two registers. So even in normal systems, so they normally use a single data line to serve very many registers. Only that what is determining where the data goes or where the data is retrieved from is this this kind of operation or this kind of control we call read and write enable. So let's do a very simple example. I had written a very simple example here where we write to register 1 or register A 0110. So if we want to write to this register, we put let's see our code here. We want to write 01, so we put 01. Just use this because so 01, so the register right now is ready to be loaded data. So we put 0110, so 011 then 0, like that. So 0110, we have fed data to this register. Now if we want to read from it, we put 00, so we just turn this off like that. So right now we are reading, and to know that we are reading, it means that even if I turn off all the inputs, the circuit still remembers. Even if we whatever code that we want to put in the input, nothing changes in the output because we are reading, we are not writing. So let's leave register 1 at that point. Now let's go to register 2. Now register 2, we write to it 110. So this is register 2. For us to write, we need a code 11 in this deep switch. So we put 11. Okay, so now we are ready to write to this register, and to write we are writing 111001. So in our data input we put 1, then 00, then 1. I hope you can see 1001. They are white LEDs. I hope you can differentiate the one that is on and the one that is off. So 1001. Okay, now let's read from register B. If you want to read from register B, we put 10. So we just come here in our control, we put 10. So okay, it's off. So right now we are reading from it, and to know that we are reading, still we try manipulating the input to see if the output changes. The output does not change. All of the inputs are off. As you can see, I've turned them off. We can manipulate them the way we want. We can change anything. All of them are on. Nothing changes in the output. And as you can see, we are controlling register 2, and register 1 still remembers that we had put 0110. So this is how the systems do operate. They store the data until the time that you want to retrieve from them. So when you want to retrieve data from them, you have to put the special code which allows you to retrieve data from them or to write data to them. So that's what I wanted to show you guys today. If you are interested, okay, this circuit is not very complex. If you're interested, I just right there on the bottom of my channel, or in the description, I'll put a link of how to connect registers. You can learn how to connect registers in various modes. You can learn how to connect any 555 in A-stable mode, because this is the clock of the circuit. We have logic gates right here which are helping the circuits to do what it does best. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today. If you're interested, if you're interested, you can just go there in the description. You'll get these links, and yeah. So if you have any question, you can still ask. I'm here. I'll be glad to answer you. And yeah, so hope to see you next time. Goodbye.